It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. This minivan steps up to its many responsibilities, like a personal assistant with many years of experience. Get comfortable inside this stylish cabin with the third-row Magic Seat, wide-mode second-row seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. Move swiftly and efficiently with the power of a V6 iVTEC engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and the Eco Assist system. Those who come along for the trip will appreciate the included rear privacy glass and a place to set a drink down with beverage holders in all rows. With a USB audio interface, Bluetooth, and iMid with a high-resolution screen, entertainment and information are at your fingertips. Get your to-do list completed much more efficiently with this outstanding Odyssey. Come in for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.